by Lenny Kravitz is a fantastic song for working on your pull-off. The song's going to start off with a little hit on the 14th fret of the high E, B and G strings, sliding down the guitar neck. I'm going to start off with the open E string, then grab 7th fret on the A with the pinky finger. I'm going to go down to 5th fret with the 2nd finger on the A still, pull off to the 1st finger at the 4th fret. Then play open E, back to 5th fret on the A. Then play open E again, 5th fret on the D, pulling off to open. So, open E, back to 7th fret on the A with the pinky finger. Okay, so slowly so far. Okay, and more up to speed. So the second time through the riff starts off in exactly the same way for the first half of the bar. Have open E, 7 on the A, 5 pull off to 4 on the A, then the open E, 5th fret on the A. At this point we change, play open D, 5 pull off to 2 on the A, then 3 pull off to open on the low E, so then open D, hammering on to 2nd fret. Okay, so the ending riff, open G, 5 pull off to 2 on the A, 3 pull off to open on the E, D, open, hammering on to 2nd. The whole second riff. One more time. Okay, and the whole riff is played slowly.